So you want to go ahead and plug it in, but download the app and set up an account. What's up guys, welcome back. So today we're reviewing Xsense home security system. So let's check it out. Alright, so let's go over some of the stuff that comes with your package. You get a manual. You also get either window chimes or door chimes, depends on what you want to put it in. So you get two of those. You get a motion sensor chime as well. So that's for motion sensor. You have a controller. You have all the screws that you need. You got the double-sided tape that you need. This is where the audio is going to come from, which is very sleek and stylish of this. You get your adapter charger for the home base, which just plugs right in the back. You get a decal that says this house is under protection. So overall, this is a really nice kit, but let's actually start testing everything out. So you want to go ahead and plug it in, but download the app and set up an account first. So before you set it up anywhere, make sure you do the app and download the app and go through everything before you mount it on the wall or anything. So far the app is extremely easy to follow. Everything's easy to follow. So you can manually set SOS. Check this out. So this is really cool. This is definitely a well-made kit. Absolutely love it. Alright, so let's say we're going away. We're going to set it on away mode. Away mode.
Away mode ready. System on.
So the system is armed. So let's go ahead and see if the motion sensor picks up. So there we go. So the motion sensor picked us up. The alarm sounds. We got a notification on our phone. And then when I turn the alarm off with my phone. Let's see if it activates again, if it picks me up. So the motion sensor is not activated since I turned it off. Let's see if our door chime is activated or not. Yes. All right, overall, I'm extremely happy.